Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So one of my very favorite things about summer is all of the fresh fruit. So today I am making a delicious fresh fruit salad with a honey lime dressing. Oh my goodness, guys, this one is over the top. Okay guys, so here is the fruit that I'm using. These are some of my very favorite fruits, but you can use whatever you want. But I will be using some grapes, strawberries and blackberries, cantaloupe, fresh pineapple, and I also have some mangoes. So I'm just going to dump my blackberries and my strawberries into a colander, and I'm just going to give them a good rinse. So I'm just cutting off the tops of the strawberries and then quartering them and placing them in a nice big bowl. All right, and then add the blackberries. Next, I'm just going to rinse my grapes. And then I'm just going to add them to my berries. And I'm leaving mine whole. You can slice them in half, but I just leave them whole. So next I'm going to cut up my pineapple. When I was in culinary school, I did my apprenticeship at the Embassy Suites, and I cannot even begin to tell you how many cases of pineapple and cantaloupe I cut up for fruit trays, fruit salad, and things like that. Oh my goodness, a lot. So I thought I would show you how to cut up a pineapple. Okay, so that was my pineapple. So now I'm going to add it to my other fruit. That's what's nice about these cutting boards. Okay, and next my cantaloupe. So let me show you how to cut up a cantaloupe. That's good cantaloupe. All right, so I'm going to add the cantaloupe. And then finally, I'm going to cut up the mango. So let me show you how to do that. So as you can see, mango is a little bit tricky because of the large seed that is in the center of the mango. But mango is my all-time favorite fruit. I absolutely adore it, so I'm have to add it to my fruit salad. So I've got a large spoon. I'm just going to stir my fruit together, and it's so beautiful with all the colors. So obviously this fruit salad is absolutely delicious just like this. But if you want to kind of kick it up a notch, I'm going to make a honey and lime dressing to pour over this fruit that is just going to make it outstanding. So I have here some limes and I have some honey. And I'm going to juice these limes till it equals about a half of a cup and then add about a half of a cup of honey. So here is a little random fact for you. Limes do not have the seeds like lemons do, so you don't have to worry about catching those seeds. So I have squeezed all my limes and now I'm going to add the honey. Then I'm just going to stir this until it's all that honey is dissolved into that lime juice. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is pour this honey lime dressing over my fruit salad. That's right. So do I really need a plate? Or can I just take the bowl? I could seriously sit down and eat this. Probably not the whole bowl, but I love fresh fruit and I love fruit salad. And I'm telling you, if you've never had the honey lime dressing over your fruit salad, I hope that you give it a try because it really does add a delicious flavor to your fruit, takes it to a whole nother level. It is just so good. And this fruit salad is absolutely perfect for a picnic. Your family, your friends will devour it. And put your favorite fruit. You don't have to use what I've used. You can use whatever you want or whatever's in season where you live. Okay, guess I better stop. But oh, it is so, so delicious. I really don't know what's my favorite. I love pineapple, but this cantaloupe is really good and ripe right now, so it's nice and sweet. And you can totally taste that lime and honey. It's so good, it's amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. Stab my grape.